Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. And while I'm at it, I'm also proving you guys that keto is not boring. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So recently, I made for the very first time a keto-friendly biscuit. And you guys, that thing was so amazing. And as soon as I finished it and tasted just how delicious it was, my mind went directly to those biscuits that we used to get from Red Lobster, those Cheddar Bay biscuits. And I was convinced, okay, that I could replicate that recipe, but keto style. So if you want to learn how to do it, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. So let's go ahead and get right into this recipe. I'm gonna leave the ingredients along with the measurements on the screen. So in this bowl, I've got some almond flour, and to it, I'm gonna add some baking powder, some baking soda. Now this is different from the other biscuit recipe that I made. And I was talking to my mom and it's like, you know what? It's worth a try just to see if maybe it will make these biscuits just a little bit fluffier. So that's why I'm adding the baking soda. A pinch of salt. Now this is also a deviation from the base recipe, and that's being some garlic powder, because these biscuits are going to be a little bit more savory. And these are the dry ingredients. So go ahead and mix this up thoroughly. I tell you guys, if you ever gone to Red Lobster and you did not like your entree, there's one thing that you could be assured of, and that would be that those biscuits were always spot on the money. It's like one of those keep them coming kind of things. That's how good they were. Okay. So all of the dry ingredients are well combined. So now we're going to add the wet. Okay. We'll start with some softened butter. Get rid of my little collection here. Okay. Go ahead and blend the flour in with this butter. And if you guys have not yet tried my keto biscuit recipe, I will, because they were incredible. This is what they look like right here, you guys. And then over here, I will leave the link to that video. Check it out after you finish watching this one, of course. I was so impressed with that. We're almost there, mixing in this butter. Okay. And again, we have a crumbly consistency. All right, next we are going to add in the egg and some buttermilk. And if you don't have buttermilk in your fridge, make some. Take some heavy whipping cream and put in some vinegar. So now this is a half of the original recipe. So this, in this cup, I've got a, what is this? I think it was a fourth cup of heavy whipping cream, to which I added a teaspoon of vinegar to get my buttermilk. Okay, and combine this. And the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to put in that cheddar cheese. All right, so this is ready for us to put in this cheddar cheese, which has been shredded. All right. And this is looking good. All right, so at this point, we're gonna bring over our baking sheet. Spray it with some avocado oil, which I did purchase. Where did I get this from? I don't think I got this off of Amazon, but surprisingly, I don't think I did because I am an Amazon queen. Probably got it from Walmart. Okay, now at this point, we are going to spoon these biscuits onto this baking sheet. And what I'm doing here, you guys, is I am just forming them a little bit better so that when they come out of the oven, they will be as round as possible. Not that it matters as far as the flavor is concerned, but it's all about the appearance. That's why I am doing this. Now, once I put these in the oven, I will come back to you and I will show you the garlic butter that will be put on top when these come out of the oven. All right, you guys, so this is it. These are ready to go into the preheated oven, which was set for 350 degrees for between 12 and 15 minutes. All right, everyone. Now, these are the ingredients that we will need to make this garlic butter that is going to go on top of these biscuits when they come out of the oven. So here, I've got some melted butter, which is starting to harden a little bit because it's a little bit cool in here. And then I have some garlic powder. And lastly, I've got some chopped parsley. Okay, mix this together. And this is ready. So all we need to do at this point is to be patient for those biscuits to come out of that oven. All right, you guys, these are hot out of the oven and they look amazing. Nice and golden brown. So let's go ahead and put these on a plate. Actually, before I do that, let me go ahead and put this butter on top. This garlic butter. Oh, nice. And because these biscuits are nice and hot, this butter is just soaking right in. Oh, this is going to be incredible. Now we are ready to put these on a plate. These look delicious. Okay. And there we have it, you guys. Okay, so I will be right back with you and we are going to give these a taste. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get into tasting these phenomenal looking Cheddar Bay biscuits. Lord, I thank you. Oh, nice. Delicious, you guys. Yes. Another one of these recipes that will keep you focused, satisfied, and in keto. This is amazing. Please do give it a try. Please let everybody know how you enjoyed it. And I would love if you guys would press that subscribe button below and become a part of my YouTube journey. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and please do share, you guys. Because again, you will not be disappointed. So, good. So until we meet again, you guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special. I will see you soon on the next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thanks again, you guys. Delicious.